What up guys, this is Vico from Vico Online Consultant, your very own GoHighLevel Ninja. In today's video, we're going to talk about email marketing and the strategy we actually use right now for our agency and how we can monetize that. I'm using GoHighLevel, so make sure that you stick to the end to see how we're actually giving away all of this free tool for you to actually get to use it for your agency at the end. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell and smash that like button. Okay, we'll want to talk about email marketing and the strategy to use for it. Now, if you an agency owner or you actually have experience in this game, you know that email marketing itself requires a massive amount of copywriting skill. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not the best copywriter on the planet right now, and there's a lot that I can learn from. But I am a good data analyst and also a good marketer. I can look at number, and I'm very good at keeping tracks of things, right? I have this OCD brain, and this tool that we're using right now is really help us leveraging using data, the open rate, the bounce, the click-through rate. It helps us get to arrange our sequence, our email sequence in a way that we'll actually split testing it in the marketplace to make sure that we'll find the best copywriting email and put it in front. And the only way, like, let's just backlog a bit. The reason why we have all this email campaign in our pipeline personally for our agency is that we set it up as a dripping campaign. For example, if someone come in to our sales call, our demo call, they're not ready to buy yet, no worry, John. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to be sending you some email, a little bit of content about what we do and who we are, just something to chew on. And over time, within 3-6 month time, after getting a lot of our email and looking and reading through our content, they're going to become a buyer, because that's just how people work. They're not ready to buy, just give them a little bit more time with a lot of retargeting and know, like, and trust you, they will become a buyer at some point. So it's very important that you actually know the reason why you're setting this up in the first place is to have a dripping campaign that you're actually filling up the gap, because obviously you're not going to get 100% closing rate. You're going to close like 25%, 30%. So you got to know that 60% of people that wouldn't buy from you right now that may going to be buying from you in the future. By having this, you ensure that they are coming back to you instead of your competitor. That core intention out of the way, right? And the way we have this set up is in a way that we can leverage data instead of having the best copywriting skill on the planet, right? So this is a software we use. If you haven't noticed yet, this is called GoHighLevel, the best marketing software in the planet right now. There's no arguing about that. I might be biased, but if you actually want to learn more about this software, we have a whole training in our YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe. So what that do is that in this high level thing is that you can set email campaign dripping just like this, and if you have used Active Campaign or Infusionsoft before, it's exactly just like this. You're setting up email 1, email 2, email 3, and you set time period between each email. The first email will go out 1 minute, and the second email will go out 2 days and 2 days, and then after that it starts to go 7 days, right? So what I have set up personally is I have a bunch of email pre-written up, right? We have different title, right? Different subject line, and we have call to action below, and we're always looking at the number, right? We'll have a tracking number like this, open rate, bounce, deliver rate. So if you look at it, we have a pretty good open rate. We have around 25% to a third, 1/5 to 1/3 of people opening our email. So that's not bad, but our click-through rate is probably not the best. So what we actually do to leveraging this, like by not having the best copywriting skill, is that we look at this data. So what I do is that I put the email with the best click-through rate up top. The new person, the next person that get added to this campaign will most likely click through this email. And over time, I can collect that data and then look at probably like the top 3 or 4 email that actually get open the most, get click through the most, what content is actually resonate to my audience. Now, I wouldn't be able to know this because everyone audience and everyone message is different. So right now we're working for real estate marketing agency. So we're working for a real estate agent in Australia, right? That may be different content that maybe resonate with dentists in the UK. We're looking at these content and we're going to be double down on what's actually working right now. Our click-through rate is not too bad in terms of email marketing, I guess. In terms of open rate, it is pretty good, but click-through rate could be better. But this is what I mean by leveraging data and tracking to balance out with your not so good copywriting skill, okay? It is as simple as that, guys. If you want to know how to set this up, click on the link below in the description. We're going to show you how to actually set this whole sequence up. And on top of that, we actually give you our very own sequence, right, that we use for real estate agent. If you're not serving real estate agent and you're serving dentists, we're probably probably gonna still benefit you because the content is still gonna be there. You just have to change a few words to make it relevant for dentists. If you want this exact email sequence, so you don't have to like write the whole thing, it takes us a lot of time to get to this much email. Make sure that you actually download what we call our prospecting snapshot. And if you haven't heard what is a prospecting snapshot or what is a snapshot, make sure that you check out our most popular video, which is our prospecting snapshot that we give absolutely for free to all of our new affiliates. Anyway, this is Vico from Vico Online Consultant. We'll wish to see you on the next one, and catch you out soon.